I just stumbled upon a brand new feature on YouTube that can help you get 10x more views, get more subscribers, and make more money even if you're a small creator. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this new feature, how I plan to use it, and how you can use it too to make more money online. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, a few days ago, I was on YouTube on my phone looking at different videos, and when I went to comment on a video, I noticed something strange. And that strange thing, if we take a look at my phone here, that strange thing was the YouTube Shorts icon, and I clicked on it thinking, hey, what is this? So for example, this video right here by Tyler Olvera, I clicked on comments. I went to go make a comment myself on someone else's post, and I noticed that, as you can see on that right hand side there is a YouTube Shorts plus icon. I clicked on it not knowing what it was, and I quickly realized that I can actually comment on other people's YouTube videos. How cool is that? Now, I said, hey, cool, this is awesome to comment on other people's stuff, but does it work for mine? And so, of course, as a good marketer and a good tester, I jumped over to my videos, as you can see here. I clicked on my video, pause this, of course, go down to comments, and wouldn't you know it that you could comment, as you can see there, I can comment on people that are asking questions of me in my video. Now, I think this is such a cool thing, and I'm going to show you exactly how I plan to use this to get more views and to make more money in a second, but I think this is such a cool thing because it allows you to build a customer. It allows you to build a community. All too often, people will ask kind of in-depth questions that need more than just a text response, and now that I can make a video on it, I can make many more YouTube Shorts. So I think this is such a cool opportunity for anybody. Now, let's talk about how I think you could use it to start building a following. One of the hardest things for people that are brand new to the market or brand new to internet marketing is to build a following. And so it takes time, it can be frustrating, it can be annoying because it feels like nothing's working, but this is something that I think you could see instant results from, and it's not going to take that long because you're doing a YouTube Short, and you're doing a YouTube Short on someone else that already has a following. I love this option. I love this idea. And like I said, I'm going to show you how I plan to use it. Now, what you can do, and unfortunately this only works in the YouTube app. It doesn't work on the desktop just yet, but what I plan to do is I'm going to go home and I'm going to go up to the search bar and I'm just going to type in my niche. For example, I'm going to type in like how to start affiliate marketing, like this. Click search. And now I'm just going to filter search results like this. And what I want to do is I want to filter results by the last month. And then I'm also going to filter by a view count because I want to take advantage of the traffic that is already out there. Now, I've been doing this method on TikTok for 6 months now, and it has worked very well, and building a community and building a following of people that engage with you. However, this option wasn't available over on YouTube. And so, like I said, I'm just going to make those two changes just like that and go back to the search results, and let's see what we get. Now, as you can see, some of these are in a language that won't make sense to you, but look at this one right here, Greg Godfrey. He has 43,000 views within the last month. And so this is going to be a really good opportunity, I believe, to find questions that people are asking that don't have a response. And now I can piggyback off of that. So I'm just going to click on comments and I'm going to make a video right in front of you. I don't know if this will work simply because I've got my phone connected to the computer, but I'm just going to give you an idea of what I would do. So I'm going to look through here. I'm going to look for a question that doesn't have a reply. So it says, nice beginner friendly video about affiliate marketing. I have not heard of breaking down the different strategies this way before. Okay, so I'm not going to answer that one. Thanks a lot, Greg. I'd love to get my hands on a comprehensive list of best affiliate programs out there right now. Is there a website that ranks in details? So what I could do is I could press this comment button. I'm going to press the YouTube Shorts button. I am just going to change this to 60 seconds and I'm going to say, hey, Alston here. Now, this is a great question. However, the best affiliate programs really depends on your niche. So I could give you a list of 10 of my favorite affiliate programs, but if they're not aligned with your niche, it's not going to make sense. So what you want to do first is you want to identify what your niche or target audience is, and then go out and figure out the best affiliate programs based on the earnings per click or EPC. You want to look for an EPC that is 1 or better. That's going to give you a good place to start. You can also look at different affiliate networks and simply just Google affiliate programs and whatever your niche is. And just like that, I am talking directly to someone. And the bonus thing here, my video should show up in a very, very popular video, and hopefully many people will see this answer. They're going to want to come back and figure out who I am and what I'm talking about, and then they can start seeing my content. I love this idea. Like I said, I've been doing this over on TikTok for a while, and I think it's something that anybody can do. And the cool thing is this person is going to get a notification that somebody responded to them, and so they're going to come back. And then also anybody that watches the original video by Greg, they're going to see my video. I think this is such a cool opportunity. I think this is something that you guys should get on right away. I think that you could do maybe 2 or 3 of these videos per day. It takes less than a minute, as you see, and I think you could start building a following. Now again, I don't know if this is even going to work. I can just move this up like this. I'll know after this video if this works or not. If it doesn't work, I can just delete it. But what we can do is we can go see on YouTube if this video shows up where I'm hoping it'll show up. So I'm just going to move that down so it doesn't look so weird. Click next, and then I'm gonna actually add a title that is keyword friendly. So like how to find affiliate programs. That's a very keyword friendly description. So I'm just going to type in how to find affiliate programs like this, and then we'll do done. And then look at, I'm just going to upload short. Now this short goes onto my account and my profile. And so people from around the world are going to find and see that, and hopefully Greg sees it, and hopefully it stays on that original YouTube video. I think this is such a cool idea. Once this uploads, I'm going to jump back over to YouTube to see if it shows up for anybody else. But I think you guys could take advantage of this. This is perfect for the small creator, simply because you are going to go where people are already hanging out. You are going to add value. You're going to help people, and you're going to bring people back to your content. And if they watch this video, the chances are they're going to watch many more videos from you, thus building a subscriber, a following, and a community. In fact, one of my first videos, I said, hey, you can do video replies. It was kind of funny. I got 1.4 thousand views. I think this is the video right here. I said, hey, I just realized that you can do video replies. How cool is that? And so this is something that I plan on taking advantage of, because I think, and I have a pretty strong feeling that anytime a platform comes out with a new feature, they're going to be pushing that feature. And so if I can be first to the market, and I talk about this all the time, be first to the market with new features, and you're going to get a push, you're going to get a bump. I haven't really seen anybody talk about this, so I think this is such a cool opportunity. Now I'm just going to go back over to this video here that we commented on. Let's see if my video pops up. I don't really remember which one it was. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the YouTube app, come back, and see if it shows up over there. Hopefully it does, because I think this is such a cool opportunity. At the very least, I am creating content that is going to resonate with Greg. I really want my answer to show up over on Greg's video. So I'm going to come back to you when I find the original post and see where mine is. All right, so I am back. I did a little bit of research. Now, I want to point out 2 things. One, when you make a video reply on someone else's, it doesn't necessarily show up on their video. For example, this is the answer that we had, or the video that I made. So if I refresh this, it's not there, which is interesting. That's fine. However, the videos that you make on your content show up there. So if I go back, so it's not there for whatever reason, but if I go over here, you can see that the videos that I made responding to people on my content, maybe he has to approve them manually, maybe that's the thing, but the videos that I made on my content are right here underneath, as you can see. So what I'll be planning to do is I'm gonna just reply, because again, I'm going to be talking to that one person, I'm going to be building a community, and I think this is something that everybody should be doing. And I think you could do this 3 to 5 times per day. It'll take you less than 10 minutes, and I think you're going to see a lot of success. You don't have to come up with content ideas. You don't have to plan anything out. You just answer questions from people that are already getting lots of views, and you're going to build a community. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to do this for maybe a month or so, and then I'm going to come back and report my results, see if I'm getting more views, see if I'm getting more subscribers, see if I'm making more money, because that's part of the reason why we're doing this. But I think this is such a cool opportunity for anybody out there. Now that you know about this new YouTube Shorts opportunity, watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.